So of course, the objective is to assist everyone, especially for the logistic industries, to embrace technology, especially for technology digital.
Facilitate and of course to share ideas amongst all of us in terms of how technology, as well as marrying technology together with their processes and procedures to get the best out of it. In RFID, you use tags, and this tag can be labeled anywhere. And the tag down here in the transporter can be used to measure temperature, to record temperature, to put in as a key tag, all right?
So our delivery is we want to optimizing the unutilized space in a vehicle that headed in the same direction. So our solution is to create an apps to connect the customer and transporter that headed in the same direction through underutilized space